everyone, welcome back to 85 The Ride. Today we're out at the property and we have probably one of the cleanest Suzukis you'll see out there at the moment. An old RM 250 07 model, and I believe one of the last 250 2-strokes. Suzuki might have released an 08 model after this one, but since then obviously ceased production. So this thing's been fully rebuilt from the ground up, stripped right back to the frame. Like I've said in the past, my old man, he picks up old bikes and restores them up. Bikes that are unique to him or unique in some sort of way, so this is the latest of that collection. So I'll let him talk through the ins and outs of all the modifications and things that have gone on with the bike.
Picked the bike up out of Sydney, low hour bike, only did 40 hours worth of work before the guy parked it up for 9 years.
Yeah, 9 years, that's a fucking long time. Long time to be just sitting there doing absolutely nothing.
It had a long range fuel tank on it, got rid of that, put on new plastics. All the forks were shagged. Jay Foreman, he did the suspension. The OEM finish on the forks was no good, it was all coming off. So the forks got sent over to Japan and the Tashima coating put on them. Yeah,
which I'm a massive fan of the colour of how that's turned out. They look really good.
So he also built the wheel set for me. I've got the original wheels, original pipe, muffler and seat cover put away. Put a fresh top end in it, set of V-force reeds.
I think the biggest thing that kept this thing from being finished was the weight on the wheels. But they came up good. That yellowy gold on the Suzuki always looks really good.
He had an OEM front hub sitting around from when he used to run the Suzuki team. Had to order the rear one. That took quite a while to get a hold of that. Managed to get the works connection frame guards, skid plate, radiator braces, replaced the rear disc guard, including the brake guard, Ballard's rear brake. It came with the FMF muffler. The DEP pipe come out of MX store.
Love the look of that thing too.
Still hasn't really been run in, it's only done like an idle heat cycle and one quick ride and that's it.
Absolutely nothing.
Yeah, she's still brand new. We also, while it was down, we put a full fastener kit through the whole bike while it was being worked on. Engine, plastics, just everything.
So how many hours do you reckon you would have spent actually pulling the thing down?
Labour of love, mate, no idea.
Cool, that's the way.
Actually had to wait till I could travel freely in and out of Sydney so I could go and pick it up.
Yeah, so plenty of time, plenty of time to spend on it, which is what you want. And she's come up looking absolutely schmick. So, alright guys, so what we'll do is we'll start the thing up for you, let you listen to that nice 2-stroke sound. Good shit. Fucking miss that smell. I reckon we gear up and go for a little bit of a lap.
Absolutely. all dirty now. Definitely not as clean and shiny as what it was before.
Oh, that's what it's all about, that. What'd you think of it?
Awesome, mate. Heaps of fun, like I never stopped.
That's it, very good. Stuff everywhere. Can have its first bath since it's
Been rebuilt?
yeah.
Yep.
Good shit.